Welcome back. This is lesson 12. Do you like bread like me? Est-ce que vous aimez du pain? Pain is bread. Pain like me? Well, if you do, let's go to a boulangerie, bakery, and let's buy some bread. If you are new to this channel, you are watching French Action, and my name is Jenny. So first, we'll go through some common items sold in a boulangerie, and then you will need to identify them in a little exercise. After that, there will be a listening comprehension with some of the items which you would have learned today, and see how much you can understand. And then you will discover the text. Are you ready for this? Vous êtes prêts? C'est parti! Une baguette. Je répète, une baguette. Un croissant. Here we have double S, so we have the se sound. Un croissant. Un pain au chocolat. Un pain au chocolat. Un pain au raisin. So here we have an S between two vowels, so we're going to have the sound Z, a Z sound. Un pain au raisin. Une brioche. Une brioche. So I'm sure you want to know the answers. Number 1 was une baguette. Number 2 was un pain au chocolat. Number 3 was un pain au raisin. Number 4 was un croissant. And the last one, obviously, it is une brioche. I hope you managed to identify those 5 items. And now we are going to see if you can identify them, but in listening. Compréhension orale. Listening comprehension. You're going to listen to a conversation, and I would like you to focus on those 3 questions. 1, what does the customer want? 2, what's the cost of each item? 3, how much is it in total? So what I would suggest you do really is to get a pen and paper to write all this information down, because you're going to get some prices. And I remind you as well that the cost will be in euros. Bonne chance, which means good luck. Bonjour madame, vous désirez?
Je voudrais une baguette, s'il vous plaît.
Ce sera tout?
Non, je voudrais aussi un pain au chocolat et un pain au raisin, s'il vous plaît.
D'accord, avec ceci.
Ce sera tout. C'est combien?
Alors, la baguette, 90 centimes. Le pain au raisin, 1,40 €. Le pain au chocolat, 1,10 €. Donc, 3,40 € s'il vous plaît.
Voilà.
Merci. Voici votre monnaie.
Merci. Au revoir.
Au revoir madame et bonne journée. Bonjour madame, vous désirez?
Je voudrais une baguette, s'il vous plaît.
Ce sera tout?
Non, je voudrais aussi un pain au chocolat et un pain au raisin, s'il vous plaît.
D'accord, avec ceci.
Ce sera tout. C'est combien?
Alors, la baguette, 90 centimes. Le pain au raisin, 1,40 €. Le pain au chocolat, 1,10 €. Donc, 3,40 € s'il vous plaît.
Voilà.
Merci. Voici votre monnaie.
Merci. Au revoir.
Au revoir madame et bonne journée. Let's go through the text to see if you have answered the questions correctly. So the text starts with a greeting. Bonjour madame. Vous désirez? Vous désirez? How can I help you? What do you desire? It's basically, may I help you? Then the customer says, je voudrais, I would like, je voudrais. Please remember this je voudrais, because whenever you need something, that's what you will have to say. I would like, je voudrais. So, je voudrais une baguette, s'il vous plaît. We know s'il vous plaît already, which means please. Ce sera tout. Ce sera tout, it's a way of asking if that will be all. And the customer says, no. It's not all because the person wants more stuff. Je voudrais aussi, I would like, also, so I would also like, un pain au chocolat et un pain au raisin, s'il vous plaît. D'accord. D'accord. OK. Avec ceci, anything else? So these are two expressions. Sera tout avec ceci. If you can remember that. The customer responded, ce sera tout. That will be all. And then she wants to know the price. C'est combien? How much is it? Then she's given the price for each of the items she bought. La baguette, 90 centimes. Le pain au raisin, 1,40 €. Le pain au chocolat, 1,10 €. Donc, 3,40 €. Then the person says voilà. So voilà means here it is, obviously giving the money. Merci, thank you. Voici votre monnaie. Here's your change. Monnaie doesn't mean money. Be careful, it means change. So here's your change. Voici votre monnaie. And then we have the greetings, which you know already. Bonne journée, have a good day. So, did you get the right answers? This is the end of the video. I hope that you have enjoyed it. If you enjoyed the video, please like it and share it. And also don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so as yet. Au revoir et à la prochaine!